I teach you how to greet someone in German. Hallo. Use this when you're not sure what fits. It's neutral and safe in most situations. Guten Morgen. Use this in the morning. Good in shops, offices, hotels and elevators. Morgen. This is shorter and more casual. Use this with neighbors or colleagues you already know. Guten Tag. Use this when you want to sound polite. Good with strangers or formal contacts. Hey! Use this with friends or close colleagues. Too casual for a formal first meeting. Guten Abend. Use this in the evening. With family, simple and warm is enough. Hallo Mama. You do not need formal language here. With a friend, just add the name. It makes it more personal. Hey Tom. At work, it depends on distance. Guten Morgen, Frau Weber. This sounds polite and respectful. Good when you do not know the person well. Guten Tag, Herr Schneider. This creates more distance. Use it when the situation is clearly formal. Moin. This is regional. You hear it a lot in northern Germany. It can work all day. Servus. You hear this in southern Germany and Austria. It sounds friendly and informal. The rule is simple. Choose a greeting by person, time, place and distance. If you're unsure, stay neutral. If the situation is formal, stay polite. If you know the person well, you can be casual. Now your turn. What is your favorite German greeting?